Hey guys, we are live, as you can see right here at 9:17 p.m. and we are running a mini for Spencer's Amanaman. There's 10 spots here, top 2 win spots in the main. I'm going to paste our list of 10 over here. 1 through 10, going to roll the bones, got to get a 5 or better. There's a 6, so we are good to go. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Josh takes round 1 and 2. Dave 3. Josh again on top in round 4. Josh takes round 5, and our top 2 are Josh and Dave. Congrats, guys. Here's the verification. AITTMM. There's our results. I am done at 9:18. There you have it. One last time, here's the results. Congrats to the winners. See you next time, guys. Thanks.